General Secretary jong ka TMC Abhishek Banerjee mentakas ngi haba perlat pet ba ekspautli ki jutang election ki baka parti ka klai haba kinong thok ko bor ki keli ya ka daw baka parti ka pendung setia ya ka mat ILP ki jutang na kelong Abhishek lo ang banamar ka dai ka mat ka baklan ka parti kan sekular dekan lecok pet ba banyak slok habya dai bat kan ka mat hakana ki perlat pet ba jong ka TMC ya ka kular jong ka Kawin kimat kibalayok rong kadai ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act Ar-Hazar Khan Rio. Hakabaw Abhishek goang bag ka parti tang suyo bad ya ulakam singsar kan pentre kam no mardor ya kene ka an.
That it's an extremely sensitive issue, and we will take all the stakeholders, their feedback, their suggestion into consideration. We will have a deliberate consultation with each and every resident of the state, everyone, and then come to a conclusion and do what is in best interest of the people of the state.
Josh here with monitor. Here.